because this is a hot topic. These days, people launch an affiliate program, they want instant results. So let me just kind of show you expectations that you should have initially, and then what you can eventually ramp your affiliate program into. So from our standpoint, got a great number of affiliates. So we got 2,216 affiliates. So that is awesome. It's a bit of a slow, steady climb though. 5 in the last day, 25 more in the last week. Something everyone would be excited about, but again, you might not want to hear this, but it did take us several years to build this up. And this is what it's all about, is just recruiting 1, 2, 3 new people every day. It does add up over time. So let me share the techniques that we use to get to over 2,200 with you here. Something you can put these into place right away. Start ramping up that affiliate base. So the first way we're going to do it is by inviting new customers as they buy from you. Invite these folks to join your affiliate program. So this is a great way to get a 2-for-1. You got a new customer. We want to see if we can turn that customer into a new affiliate of yours at the same time. Not much you need to do beyond enabling this email. You can sign your name to this guy and it'll be off and running. This is a big driver of our own new affiliates. Again, as simple as reaching out to people, letting them know about your program. We also have an affiliate network, and this is free for you as a Lead Dino user. Easy enough for you to tap. What we get is get you listed in one of our 21 different product categories here. Get you featured right here. We get you featured on our Facebook page and also within our affiliate newsletter. So we got nice looking features that go out. So these are, again, getting posted out to social media. We're driving folks to your sign up. So we're doing these on the Facebook page as well to let folks know about your affiliate program, helping them join. If I skim down here, let me see if I got a newsletter that I can actually share with you as well. Let's see, just kind of skim down. We got yeah, tons of Facebook posts up here recently, and then we will do the newsletters on a weekly basis, and we actually feature 5 affiliate programs per week. So similar type thing where we feature your product, we feature your affiliate program, and we look to get you involved in the newsletter here. So many Facebook posts. I got some of the newsletters buried down. I got one right here. So here we go. 5 eye-catching clothing affiliate programs. So you got a clothing product, we can get you into a category like this. Again, 21 different product categories, so various niches for everyone involved. So you can get going right here if you are interested. To join, pretty simple. Just hit the network button in the lower left corner, redirects you over to ecommerceaffiliates.com. From here, we will again get you set up. If you do it from Lead Dino, we do pop up a little wizard where we will let you fill that out, talk about your product, talk about your affiliate program, and then you can get set up with a nice looking profile like this, and we'll get you set up with a nice looking newsletter feature right here.